Okay guys, today we're going to make a 2-in-1 lavender perfume massage oil. This is 2-in-1. You can use this as a perfume and also a massage oil at the same time. First ingredient we need is 97 grams of mineral oil. This is the same oil they use for baby oils. And this oil is very effective because it doesn't go rancid. It doesn't need any preservative. And next ingredient that we need is 1 gram of lavender essential oil. Lavender essential oil helps you sleep faster, helps you to be calm, reduces anxiety, generally makes you sleep better and faster. Next ingredient we're going to put is 1 gram of eucalyptus oil. Eucalyptus oil relieves clogged nose and helps reduce symptoms of flu and cold and headache. So we're just going to stir first the essential oils that we put. And since this is a perfume oil as well, aside from putting lavender essential oil, we are also going to put just 1 gram of lavender fragrance oil. Sorry for this very huge bottle because I bought this wholesale so I could get a big discount. So there. This one, the next ingredient is optional since this is a lavender massage perfume oil. You might put a very tiny dot of purple oil soluble dye. Just very little to make the product a little purple. Yeah, we don't want it to be very purplish because it doesn't look natural. Yeah, just a little more. Just a little more. That's it. This is a 100 gram batch, so I'll show you our container a bit. So this is going to be our container. This is a 10 gram roll-on bottle. Another optional ingredient that we can put is lavender buds. This will make the finished product look more elegant. Yeah, just a tiny bit. Lavender buds. Okay. Then we just have to pour the oil to the bottle gently. Then we're going to put this cap, bottle cap. Yeah, and that's it. Put this gold thing, gold core thing. Okay, right. Okay, there. I didn't close it properly, so now it's ready.